So, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again. And for today's video, we're going to IKEA Singapore. And who's with me? Hi! We're going out again, right? We're going out every day. What? Say hi to your fans. Hi fans. Smile, smile. Say hi 900 followers. I love you all. Thank you for subscribing and watching my videos. Go back. Nawala yung bagets. Okay ka na, girl? What? Because of the gravity of the earth? Wait lang. Ako muna. Ay, nakasunod sa camera. Alam mo, girl? Ay, alam mo, boy? Nire-renovate.
Oo nga. Maganda dito dati.
Dahil wala pa kaming mga lunch. So, ayan. Gaganda ng mga carpet nila. For kids room. Theater room, diba? Nice. So, ayan. We're gonna have our lunch at here. Swedish restaurant. Oh, diba? So nice.
Hindi, water dito na bottled water.
Diba they have beers? Is that beer?
Soft drinks. Ito yung drinking water.
Mino.
Kahit, tapos ba? Okay lang. $1, one. Grabe naman. Here, marinated salmon pala. Blueberry raspberry. May, alam mo na mo.
Yes, baby. Anything else? That's with it. That's all. Another meatball. Oh my god. Thank you.
Ay, this is cheese tart pala. Cheese tart. Hindi ko ano. Wow. Ano yung ba to?
Wow, spaghetti.
Wala may sige, sabi ko naman na lang ng ano para.
Thank you, Mama.
Thank you, Mama.
I love you, Mom. I love you. 3, 2, 1, action. Welcome to... Ang dami ah.
Ngayon, like sandal.
Chara Santos. Nice naman. Ang mahal ah. 899. 900 na din. Pero namimili lang po si Alex Stocks. Di ubra pag may bagets.
Mapasok mo yan.
Ano?
With edit na.
Ayun.
With edit na siya. Parang di na ako may nakamagit. Kasi hindi tayo editorial eh.
Asa na ba si Alex? 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 Alex, walang sumasagot sa katok ko. Oh, andyan ka pala. Bakit may cart? Uy. Alex, hihingi sana ako ng toyo. Isang lapad na toyo.
Ako na, ito na. Toyo na to.
Tinotoyo ka na, girl. How's your sleep? How's your sleep? How's your sleep? Jiggy 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 jing jing. Jiggy 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 jing jing. How's your sleep? Your mommy and auntie are planning to buy something here at IKEA. So you just woke up. How's your sleep, baby love? How's your sleep? Huh? How's your sleep? Did you sleep good? Huh? What? Ching, a little dragon. Hi. Hi. Uy, uy, uy. Hi. Sus. What? What? Chika chika din 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 din. Let it go, let it go. Nice. Girl, token. 150 sa strawberry. 1, 2, 3, 450. 450. Wait. So this is a ice cream machine, and there. Place your cup holder, insert token into the slot, press the button once. Ito 150 eh. Ay, sa soy ice cream. Pero ano ba? Ayoko ng soy. Ay, sabi mo 'di ba ang soy is lasang, parang natikman mo na 'yun dati. Go. Place your cone. Naka 0.5 to, okay lang.
Yeah. Wow.
Nice. Ah, smile ka, dali. Smile ka. Ah, diba? Pang thumbnail. Ah, next. Medyo, anuhan lang natin.
Para din sa vanilla.
Okay, last. Nalagay ko na lang to. Okay. Wow. What's the flavor of the ano? What? Anong flavor? It's not strawberry. soy ice cream something. Tastes like what? Let's eat. Dalawa lang, strawberry and soy. Ay, ang sarap niya, guys. Ang sarap.